inside of a NBC HD truck. Oh, I can have some fun up in here. Wow, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. That's a Sony, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. That's cool. What's in here? I don't know what that is. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. That's some cool shit, yo. Look at that.